Greetings. It's Joanna Conde, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can use the microphone on Chat GPT once you have Chat GPT on your computer or on your phone. So I'm going to share my screen, and the reason I'm going to go into Chat is so that once you have it up and you can ask your own questions. So let's do it this way. How do I use the microphone on Chat GPT? Now, I typed it in, but I could also use the microphone. And I use the microphone. Here we are. Where should we begin? We're going to use the microphone. See the little microphone button? You're going to hit that. How do I use the microphone feature on Chat GPT? I'm going to hit the up button, which is the check mark it, and now I have it. I misspoke. You hit the check button in order to stop the recording, and you hit the up button to send the question. And when you have the answer, it's right here, and I'm going to scroll down so that you can read it. Okay? And this is on your computer. So you're speaking when you stop talking. So if you don't get it the first time, you can go back into Chat and ask. So let's just do this. It tells you this: if the mic icon isn't visible, your browser might not have mic permissions, or your device might not have a microphone. Then what you do? Well, it tells you right here. Okay? Now, if you can tell it whether you're using a Windows, a Mac, an iPhone, or an Android, and it will walk you through any step you need to set it up. So let's ask it this question. Again, hit the microphone. How do I use the mic feature on my phone? Check. Up. Now here on your phone, you'll look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the microphone icon. You tap the icon and you start talking. Remember when you're done to hit the check mark. If you don't see the microphone, go to your settings. It tells you what to do. If you have any other questions, you can ask Chat. Say simply, I don't see it. Where do I find it? And Chat will explain it. And that's it for today. And so I'm going to unshare my screen, and I'm back. And it's Joanna Conde, AI for Seniors. And I hope this helps you to get the most out of Chat GPT. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again. If you like this program, please go to the end of the video and subscribe, and put a check mark for thumbs up. Thank you.